Brianna. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing. Today we're cleaning out my filthy mom car. The inside is just, oh, it's so embarrassing. Hayden's been going to preschool now, so the teachers take him in and out. I feel like every time they open the door to my car, they just have to be like, what is wrong with you? You're disgusting. But I hope that this gives you some car cleaning motivation, because I know it's finally getting to be nicer weather, so it's nice to actually get outside and finally clean it out. So let's go. This is just the front seat. You can see the mats are all really grimy and dirty. There's just like so many wrappers in there. Why? And this is the real area that this is just embarrassing. There's so much, like when they open the door, they just have to be like, you are filthy. Like, what is that? Ew. On the back of the seats, I mean, they're just all muddy from all the kids' muddy shoes kicking up on there. Even the door. Door is filthy. I think there's like Polynesian sauce dripped over here. It's like trash everywhere. Ugh. So gross. All right, let's get started by taking all of the garbage out of this car.
Shitty car, but we hit the road. Doesn't matter where we go and destination unknown. I don't care where the motor stops, cause when I want it, then I want it. Yeah, I want it, oh I want it, let's go. Look around, where's the people at? I want a taste of the good life. Hit me with it right now, I'm in it. Cause when I want it, then I want it. Yeah, I want it, oh I want it, let's go. And I won't look back, yeah. I don't care about the bad shit.
Okay, everything has been taken out of the car besides all this nasty crumbs and stuff. The only thing, I was trying to take his car seat out and I can't take it out, so unfortunately I think I'm just gonna have to kind of clean around it. But back here there's a lot on every seat that I feel like it just all needs to get vacuumed and wiped down real good. So let's go. It was such a nice day, so it was so nice to be outside listening to some music while I was cleaning the car. I'm curious though, what's the weather like where you live right now? Let me know down in the comments. Does it feel like spring yet, or is it still cold? Because the forecast for the day that I'm posting this video, it's back to snow here in Cleveland. So this is just a little spring teaser, I guess. I put on a country music playlist while I was cleaning today because I'm going to Stagecoach for the first time. It's a country music festival. It's next month and I'm so excited. But what is your favorite kind of music to listen to? Let me know down in the comments. All right, I just took, it's disgusting, this mat out of the back because it just needs to get hosed off. And I'm trying with that vacuum just to get up as much as I can. But a lot of the corners, I think I need just a more powerful vacuum. So I'm gonna take the car to go get washed on the outside and use their more powerful vacuum. Like I'm hoping even back here, I mean, it did okay, but I still see like stuff stuck in it. So I'm gonna see if the more powerful car wash vacuum helps a little bit.
When you move like that, yeah. Everything stops when you move like that, yeah. Everything stops when you move like that, and I wanna get in close to you. It's what I'm gonna do, 'cause right now I'm in it.
All right, this vacuum was so much better than the one I was using because it's just more powerful and it got up all those really stuck in carpet crumbs. And the cool thing is these vacuums are free. So if you have a car wash like this in your area, It's just a great way to stop and do that quick vacuum if you need it. And I clearly needed it. It was a very overdue car clean with me. And now time for the car wash to get the outside of the car nice and pretty.
1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now.
Okay, I'm gonna get these all rinsed so I can spray the Dawn Power Wash on them, and then we'll scrub them all off.
And I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me.
Well, the wind just knocked over my tripod, and my camera now no longer closes, so I'm using my old camera. Oh, that's such a bummer. And I've got all the mats up here to dry, so you can see the vacuum was really good, but I still needed to do a really thorough wipe down of everything. And I'm using the Cap and Clean Sweet Citrus and Agave Multi-Surface Cleaner and Room Freshener. I'm gonna wipe everything down with the multi-surface cleaner and then use the room freshener to kind of get all the carpets and everything else and the car seats smelling really good. Especially, I have no idea what like spilled all over here, but that's gross. So let's get to it.
I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me.
I love how shiny the seats all look after wiping them down with the Cap and Clean cleaner, and it smells amazing. The Sweet Citrus Agave scent is really light and citrusy and sugary and just smells so zesty and clean, and it's just such a good car cleaning scent. You have got to try it. Order yours at capandclean.com before it's gone.
City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in
Once everything was all wiped down, I used my Cap and Clean Sweet Citrus Agave room freshener. I sprayed down all of the carpets and the car smelled so fresh and clean.
Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
Okay, it is not 100% perfect. Like I still see little things, but again, I used that vacuum, the super vacuum, and I think there's just some stuff that I don't know how to get out. If you have tips, let me know, but that's so much nicer. It smells amazing, by the way. Like it smells so clean and sweet and citrusy. I love that smell. I need to clean with that more. I've actually been cleaning more with the cocoa butter cashmere, but I feel like that one is really, really nice, especially for in the car. It's like the best fresh, clean car scent in my opinion. But this, oh man, I love when it looks all shined up and nice, and the seats are all shiny and clean. And outside she's purdy too, since I took her for a wash. So the Jenny Benny is all nice and cleaned up for springtime. Okay, I just put the kids' booster seats and my emergency kit, some emergency diapers, umbrella, windshield scrapers. Hopefully I won't need those the rest of this year though. And I got this really cute, it's like a really oversized recyclable bag from Kohl's the other day. I love that, but put all that stuff in there. Close the trunk up. Yay! Oh my gosh, it's like the best feeling in the world when your car is nice and clean. I shut all the doors and totally forgot I'd set all those there to dry, so gotta put those in now.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest.
Okay, that was perfect timing because it's starting to drizzle, so everything is nice and clean. I'm gonna move her into the garage, and she just had a nice car wash, got all shined up. And thanks so much for watching this video and subscribing. Have your notifications turned on so you know when I post my next video. I love you.
It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time.